Okay, you guys, we're gonna repeat about the lessons that we've teach you and like the analysis that you've learned in previous terms. I want to analyze them all and like put my target and put my stop loss and open a good order. This is Euro to USD chart. The first thing that we learned was to draw a trend line. My trend line is from the bottom to top. I have another one here. I don't want to draw the major one. The minor one is better, I think. I have another one here. I have Fibonacci. I can do it, draw it from cap to the floor or floor to cap. There's a high for me here. Yes. My Fibonacci has hit 61, but I have another one here. The major Fibonacci. I could draw the minor one and just get the present of the market. Because in the past Fibonacci, the 61 has been broken. So I can draw the major Fibonacci and it has hit 61 and I will expect it to come back to 23. But I should wait for it to see what signal it will give me. In previous sessions, I have told you the indicators. I put my pivots on. The pivots on my daily time frame. I have a central daily pivot here, and it's not a good place to trade in because it's not obvious that it's gonna break the pivot or not. Another one, magic pivot. I see that my weekly pivots are also like there. When the price is not on the pivots, I should expect it to go on upwards. But my price may come to this zone. But because my price is between my 50 and 61, like in that channel, I can't trade. I should wait to get a signal, either a sell or a buy signal. If my trend line breaks, I get a sell signal, and also these pivots here under the 61 Fibonacci. If it breaks 50 as well, I can have a really good buy here. To have a simple and easy trade, I can put a buy stop above the resistance and a sell stop under the 61 Fibonacci and my pivot. Okay. Now, the tools that I've taught you, the important ones. The indicators that are important. I can do CCI. CCI is telling me that it has gone upwards from the risky zone. It has told me to wait, for I can't, so I can't trade right now. Bearish power. That's it's like this. The bars are higher than each other, so I can't trade. Bull's power. I see that here. My price is in under. It's a confirmation. It's not a confirmation for an uptrend. Another tool. Alligator. My price is under the alligator. It has given me a sell signal, but it may come back, so I wait because I don't have confirmation from my Fibonacci. But according to alligator, the trend is downtrend. I have drawn my Fibonacci, MACD. I see that bars are under the moving average. This one is lower than this one, so it's a sell signal. Stochastic has given me a sell signal as well. The blue line is under the red line. But the bottom wall, when it hits the bottom wall, I should wait for it to create a hook. Means the blue line gets above the red line. That's why I don't have a full confirmation here. Okay. Here, my important indicators are there, and I wanted to get confirmation from them to see the trend is uptrend or a downtrend. Some of them have given me an uptrend, but all of them are in the risky zone. So I wait for them to give me a buy signal, then I do the buy signal, buy order. This zone is not really obvious that it's gonna drop down or it's gonna go upwards. So I should wait for a safe signal and then start trading. Another thing is like John Murphy rule. There is the book, and you can read it, and it's a really professional book. It's a little complicated because it's really professional. It may be hard for you. But as a summary, it has a rule that you can put your indicators, like these one that I just put. If all of them are giving us a buy signal at the same time, and in that like all of them are giving me the uptrend signal in the 1 hour time frame is giving me a correct signal as well, and in the 4 hour time frame is giving me correct signal as well. It's the best trade or order that you can do. But if you see that some of them are giving us a signal, sell signal, or some of them are giving us a buy signal, and 1 hour and 4 hour time frames are not in harmony, I know that it's not a good place to trade. But if they match with each other, these indicators, it's the best trade that you can do. Definitely read that book. It's a really good book. I have put on every tool that I have taught you. These are good tools for a person that is in the intermediate level and wants to be a professional. Indicators have errors, so try to be a really strong analyzer and work with the like the I don't teach Ichimoku. It's a really good tool for analyzing. I really use it, but I will teach you Ichimoku next term. I've just told you the summary of the 10 rules of John Murphy. That the indicators should all match in 3 time frames, and then you can have the best trade that you can have. So the best trade that I can have is that I put a sell stop under my trend line and a buy stop above my trend line. So if it goes upwards, it will break my buy stop, and it will have an upwards movement until 23. And if it drops down, it will hit my sell stop. Let me zoom in so you will see more clear. That's the trend line that have been drawn. The alligator. This is the CCI. I've tried to press them a little bit. Don't zoom in too much. This is the bears. The bull's power. MACD is a sell signal. The stochastic is giving me a buy signal. I wanted to zoom in for you to see clearly. Okay. I hope you've learned these indicators well. I've tried to teach them in the best way, really easily and simple for you to understand better. Okay. It's 4 a.m. now. I hope that you have a good morning. Try not to have trading in Monday and enter your positions in Tuesday. Try to make your account completely green. Okay, goodbye.